Once upon a time in a distant future, on the vibrant island of Jamaica, there lived a cowboy named Kingsley. Unlike any cowboy before him, Kingsley was known for his blazing speed and daring spirit. He rode a sleek, cyber-enhanced horse named Thunderbolt, whose hooves sparkled with neon lights as they pounded the lush green plains. One day, a mysterious distress signal crackled through the jungle. It was from the city of Neutron, a high-tech metropolis threatened by an alien invasion. The invaders, called the Xynax, were seeking to enslave humanity using mind-control devices. Kingsley, hearing the call for help, grabbed his laser lasso and donned his shimmering star-spangled hat. With Thunderbolt galloping at lightning speed, Kingsley set out towards Neutron. The journey was perilous. Raging storms, treacherous terrain, and Xynax drones hunting for him in the shadows. But Kingsley's speed and agility were unmatched. He dodged laser blasts, leapt over craters, and raced through the jungle with the wind whistling past him. As he neared the city, he saw the Xynax's towering mothership hovering ominously. Inside, the brainwashed citizens moved like zombies. Kingsley knew he had to act fast. He dashed past the gates, riding Thunderbolt straight into the heart of the invasion. Using his laser lasso, Kingsley snatched the control device from the Xynax commander's hand. With a swift flick, he destroyed it, breaking the mind control grip over the citizens. The Xynax, furious, fired their plasma guns, but Kingsley and Thunderbolt were too quick. They darted through the chaos, racing against time to escape as the mothership started to explode in a burst of light. With a final burst of speed, Kingsley and Thunderbolt soared back over the jungle, the city safe once more. The people cheered as the sky cleared, and the legend of Kingsley, the Jamaican cowboy who rode faster than the lightning, spread across the galaxy. And from that day on, whenever danger threatened the universe, tales of Kingsley and Thunderbolt would inspire heroes to ride fast and fight brave.